Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and download Instagram videos and reels. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So the best way I've already found in order to go ahead and download some videos. So for example, let's say I want to download this video right here. All I'm going to do is simply go ahead and click on copy link by clicking on the share option. And now what I'm going to do is head into my Safari. And then there's going to be a application called Insta Reel Downloader. So simply go ahead and click or search for that. So let me just go ahead and do that real quick. And it's going to be this SS Insta link right over here. So paste your link right over here. And now you can simply click on download. Close the ad, and as you can see, it's going to say we are downloading the reel, please wait, and then it's going to simply go ahead and show the reel right over here for you to download. All right, it is loaded up. Simply tap on the download button, and that is it. It's going to simply go ahead and download. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.